All right, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Today is May 1st, 2023. I'm Judge Kate Johnson. When I call the calendar, please make your announcement. Timothy Allen.
State's ready.
Mhm.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Allen will be a hearing this morning.
Mhm. Aquarius Bell.
That was indicted.
That is correct, Judge.
Great, thank you. And then Breakfield, Todd. I see that's Chris Toll's case. And he has a conflict. Is that your understanding, Ms. Freeman?
Yes, he did. He emailed me a conflict.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And so I don't know if he intends on appearing late, or did he say what he wanted to do, or just continue it?
Wait, let me go back in and see.
We can come back to it.
Okay, and I'll try to see if I know he at one point he was in trial.
Yes, a lot of jury trials on here.
Yeah. So we'll
1, 2, 3,
hold it
4,
and see.
5.
Right. We can wait until the end of the calendar and see.
Okay. All right. I can go on that one. Charles Chandler.
State's ready.
That's going to be a fast track, yeah.
How you doing, Mr. Rogers? Where are you going? Oh, okay. All right. What about Khalid Charleston?
State's ready.
Nicole Jones for Mr. Charleston. That would be a bond waiver this morning, Your Honor.
Who represents Mr. Charleston?
Nicole Jones.
I'm sorry?
Nicole Jones, it's a bond waiver this morning.
Oh, okay, Ms. Jones. All right. Kevin Clark.
That's the fast track this morning, Your Honor, with Attorney Brandon Lewis.
All right.
And Judge, may I be excused?
Yes, have a great day. Good to see you. Deontay Davenport.
State's ready.
That's going to be a hearing.
Daryl Dees.
State's ready.
Nicole Jones for Mr. Dees, and that will be a hearing.
I'm sorry. Ms. Jones, you
A
said
hearing?
something? It's gonna
Yes, Your Honor. That will be a hearing this morning.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Judge, that is a co-defendant to Breakfield with Attorney Tolles. If we have to continue Mr. Breakfield, I would ask that it's the first time both cases have been on the calendar. I would ask for continuance on both of them to keep them together.
Okay.
And the defense has no
Any objection to that, Ms. Jones?
No, Your Honor.
Sylvanius Edwards.
State's ready.
Who represents Mr. Edwards?
Barr.
Oh, I thought you said a different name. Mr. Edwards is probably going to be a fast track. I just need to double check that this morning.
Okay, I'll just put free form. Curtis Flowers. Curtis Flowers.
State's ready.
All right,
Nicole Jones for Mr. Flowers. That'll be a fast track this morning.
all right, thank you. Jalen Freeman.
The state's ready, but I believe that Ms. Scall had indicated that I think Attorney Lewis had been assigned recently, I believe.
Judge, what's going on is with these jail cases, there's so many that Judge Mack is helping us find people. Not on this case necessarily, but on other cases. Mr. Lewis was assigned to Mr. Freeman, but it is a conflict for him. So we just don't have counsel for Mr. Freeman that I know of at this point.
And so who's my lovely Miss Pat Davis? Patricia
sorry.
Davis.
You
and so-
she
so
said
you want to
something.
just continue it? Is this a co-defendant case at all?
No, it's not.
Okay. So you want to just continue it, Ms. Gall?
Judge, as I said, I'm not even certain if this case has been sent over to us or if it's been sent to Judge Mack. But yeah, I don't have counsel in my office.
So based on what I'm seeing, Ms. Gall, it was right. It was closed out and sent to Judge Mack based on what I'm from my end.
So,
Okay,
Right, so we would just ask that it be continued, Judge.
Okay.
Do we have a date that you're using?
Ms. Thomas, what date should we be using?
We can use May 22nd.
So Mr. Freeman, we will continue to May 27th. All right. Thank you. Lavender Gresham. Lavender Gresham.
State's ready.
According to the sheriff's department, he's out on loan. So we'd have to continue it.
Okay, out on loan.
Judge, will that one be on the 22nd as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
All righty. Montez Harris.
The state's ready.
Nicole Jones, Mr. Harris, that will probably be here today.
And Judge, there is a co-defendant on that case as well, Davion Turner.
Okay. Ashley Hartman.
State's ready.
Mhm.
I need to hold on that way. I get hearings up.
Mhm. Sharon Jones.
State's ready.
Nicole Jones, Miss Jones, I just received a new bond offer, so I need to speak with her first, Your Honor.
Mhm. Cedric Lawrence. That's the one we did the bond waiver already.
Yes, Judge. Mhm.
Richard Lee.
The state's ready. That's for Attorney Todd.
Yes, Your Honor. I represent Mr. Lee. We're ready for a hearing.
You are right. Okay. Thank you. Daryl Matthews.
The state's ready.
Mhm.
That's a bond waiver.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Freeman. Matthews. Mhm. Demetrius Moore.
And that was a bond, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
That was a bond waiver I sent you this morning with Attorney Latrell. Mhm.
Okay. Thank you. What about Terrence Peak?
That's a misdemeanor.
Okay,
Needs
so
to
you
be placed on the misdemeanor calendar.
Continuance.
Demetrius Powell.
State's ready.
Nicole Jones, for Mr. Powell, I received a new bond offer, so can we hold on that?
Yes, ma'am. Caleb Randolph.
State's ready, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, I received information that there are potentially new charges coming down the pipe for Mr. Randolph. So on that basis, we are asking for a continuance.
Okay.
And no objection, Your Honor.
And Attorney Keegan, do you have a time frame?
I do not at this time. We are still conducting the forensic interviews.
So can we do 30 days?
I would say 30 days sounds good.
All right, Ms. Thomas, if you can find me for 30 days, that would be. June 5th. Or should that be June 5th?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. And that concludes my business. May I be excused?
Yes, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
I believe your witnesses are on as well, Attorney Keegan.
They are, and I'll text them and speak with them as well. Thank you.
Hold on a half a second for me, guys. All righty. Eric Ray.
State's ready.
And Your Honor, that'll be a hearing this morning.
Mhm. Joe Ridley. Joe Ridley.
That was a misdemeanor, Judge.
All right, Edward Rothall.
State's ready.
It looks like it's gonna be a bond waiver this morning. I just need to confirm that.
Joshua Schubert.
That was indicted.
That is correct, Judge.
April Smith.
That'll be a fast track this morning.
Who's the defense attorney on that one?
Nicole
Ms.
Jones,
Rogers?
Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Devon Turner.
State's ready.
Good morning, Judge. Thomas Florio for Davion Turner, and that'll be a hearing this morning, Judge.
Okay. Mhm. Morris Turner. Morris Turner.
State's ready.
Judge Carlin's gone here for Mr. Schoolcraft on that. That is the client I wanted to speak to in the jail. But if it needs to be a hearing, we'd be ready.
So they don't have him yet?
They did not have him the last time I went in, and then the PD's office was in before we called the calendar.
Okay. Deputy, do y'all have Mr. Turner? I don't think anyone is there. Okay, Jerome Whitaker.
State's ready.
Yes, ma'am. Who you need, ma'am?
Mr. Norris Turner, did y'all bring him up yet?
Mr. Turner?
Uh-huh.
Your Honor, he's here. Turner. He's here. Yeah.
Okay, great, thank you. You said state's ready on Whitaker.
Yes.
All right,
And it's probably gonna be a fast track. Just need to double check.
okay. Darrell White.
That was the bond previously done.
Christian Wiggins.
Judge, on this case, one, the given a false name, the warrant 2023 WA 05335, that's a misdemeanor that's not related to any of the felonies, so that needs to be placed on a misdemeanor calendar. But regarding the other charges, one of our witnesses is in some type of training and would not be available until after August 25th. Attorney Pleasant and I were trying to work something.
August 25th.
August 25th, Judge.
Okay.
And so we've been trying to.
And there's no one else can testify or bring this?
That's the information I was just informed as far as that she is out until August 25th.
Okay.
And attorney, we may be able to still work something out.
Okay. All right. So you want me to put this just as a pretrial?
If you could, Judge.
And this is Ms. Scars?
No,
No,
this is
Pleasant.
Ms. Pleasant, okay. That concludes the call of the calendar. And so, Deputy, if you could go back into room 3, and Ms. Scars, if you can join room 3 to speak to your client.
Heading there now. Thank you, Judge.
All righty, and then when Ms. Scars is done, I know Mr. Rogers had a few he needed to confirm. Is that correct, Mr. Rogers?
Yes, ma'am, I appreciate it, so.
Mhm.
And Judge, I'm gonna be here. I'm just doing paperwork.
Okay.
And making sure I get the officers for the hearings.
All right, so you don't know just yet. It's whoever logs on first, right?
But yeah, well, I would like to get, I know Attorney Todd has Richard Lee, and that's what Cummings, so I'm gonna try to go ahead. I don't see Cummings on here yet. And so I'm gonna try to see why Cummings isn't on yet.
Okay, all right, I'm sitting right here. Just holler at me when you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Ms. Brigham, I'm gonna call you on Higgins.
Okay.
Wiggins.
All right, thank you.
Judge, we're still showing live, just so you know.
You go in 6, don't do the mark, get back down and go in 6, you go back.
PD's office, I think Javaric, you were next for the jail. I'm out if you want to hop in.
I'm gonna hop in with you, Gerard.
And then Judge, I don't know if the judge is on, but we're still streaming on YouTube. I don't know if she wanted to turn that off.